What's up everyone? Let's go ahead and get started with our abs workout using our mini stepper with bands. You can perform this ab workout with any stepper that has bands attached to it. So follow along with me closely. This workout's going to be perfect for those who maybe aren't as confident performing ab workouts. We're going to be using the bands to assist you with each movement. So let's go ahead and get down to the floor. We're going to be doing each one for 30 seconds. So first one, feet against the stepper, hold on to the handles. You're going to be doing a basic sit-up. So leaning back, sitting up. You should feel those bands assist you by helping you pull yourself up. After you get to the bottom, sitting up nice and easy. So remember, this is timed. We're just going to go for 30 seconds, nice and slow. Soft bend in your knee, one more. All right, let's transition. Drop one handle. You're gonna use one, lay back slightly. You're gonna perform a slight rotation. Come back to center. Opposite side, slight rotation. Come back to center, nice and slow. Leaning back a little bit to keep those abs engaged. Slow rotation. Pulling a little bit with that handle. Reaching to the side slightly. Good job, let's do one more. All right, back to both handles. You're gonna lay all the way down, and then we're gonna do slight baby crunch, side to side reaches. Nice and slow, keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Getting those obliques going. Still keeping our core and our midsection engaged. Nice and slow. After this exercise, we're going to take a 30-second break. And relax. Good job. All right. 30-second break. We're going to go back to the assisted sit-ups. So again, for the next set, make sure knees are bent slightly. Those handlebars are stretched right towards your chest, kind of at the top of your stomach. And then keep them there. Don't let your arms extend. Hold them nice and close, because that's going to give you a little bit more assistance as you perform each sit-up. So let's go ahead and get ready. 5 seconds. Grab those handles. Feet firmly placed against your step. Leaning back. Remember, we're not pulling on the handles. We're just holding them in place. We're going nice and slow. Keep going, crunching up, nice up and tall finish. Let's do one more. Good job, all right, drop one, start the rotations, little reach. Sitting up nice and tall. Slight little rotation. Ten seconds. One more. All right, grabbing both handles again, laying all the way down. Slight little crunch, side to side. Reaching down toward those heels. Keep going. Feel the burn in the midsection. You got this. Side to side. Keep those shoulders up, off the ground slightly. Keep your head up. And relax. Woo. All right, I got one more set. Doing great. Feeling those abs, you can do it. So remember, this is great for those of you that aren't as confident performing sit-ups or performing crunches. You can use those bands to kind of help you assist in that movement. And then the same thing for the rotational movement. We're just adding a little bit of resistance to kind of increase the difficulty of that movement. And then for our side-to-side bends, again, getting a little bit of tension to increase the intensity of that movement. All right, last set. You got this. Here we go. Almost there, 10 more seconds. Last one. All right, dropping one handle, rotations, last set. Keep breathing. Couple more. All right, side to side bends, last set, you got this. Finish strong. Those shoulders up high. Feel those abs burn. Keep reaching. You got this. Almost there, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Woo. Careful with those bends. Woo. Excellent work. Killer ab workout. Great job. Come back next time and we'll keep working on it.